Hello and welcome all to Null Pointers Doctor Office Database. Going into the home page is where we have our main functionalities. So if we look at the bottom is where our first point of attention will be, and we can see where all of our doctors in the database are registered. So go ahead and view that. We can see on the first column we have an available doctor code, followed by the corresponding person code responding to the person relation. And on the bottom there is the main function for functionality display for just doctors. But if we look on the right sidebar here, we see 3 different locations showing Hollywood, Anaheim, and Placentia, followed by all of their respective images. Now, next part, we have the specialty registry, and this has a few elements here that we could pay attention to. So at the first part here, we see in this entry box, we can input a query, and followed by that, we can see right here is where we have a query result from the specialty relation. And essentially what this is just showing is all of the specialties available from the specialty class or relation. Now what we can do here is input a new query, but for now, since the formatting is off and it needs to be accepting different types of columns and rows, it shouldn't show anything different from that. And then on this page, the last thing we have is the ability to enter in new doctor information. So right here we have the doctor ID, the person ID, which are all the elements necessary to establish a doctor. So we can input some values here. And clicking the submit button, it should refresh it, and we should have some updated values in our database. Now, last feature here, just some further UI visual elements. So what we see is just some images we have for our doctor office, different patients before and after testimonials. So this is the before. You can see if right here, so there's some text available. And this is the before for the other feature. This is an after. And yes, that is the entire database. Thank you.